In a bid to strengthen security architecture in Auxillary area of Lagos State and its environment, prompted the Speaker of the House of Representatives, Mr. Abbas Tajuddin, commissioned Bode Police Station, Surulere, Lagos, a project facilitated by the Chief of Staff to the President, Mr. Femi Gbajabiamila. It would be recalled that Bode Divisional Police Station was attacked during the entire protest in 2020, which has brought new edifice the axis in attendance at the venue are Commissioner of Police Lagos State CP Adegoke Fayo-Ade, founder Eagle Crime Awareness and Prevention Initiative EKP Ambassador Eniola Samuel, and other dignitaries.
This place was unveiled by me in commemoration of the commissioning of Bode Police Station, census area with David Labels, project facilitated by Right Honorable Femi Gbajabiamila.
Reacting to the new development, CP Lagos Fayode Adegoke applauded the kind gesture of the Chief of Staff to Mr. President, Honorable Femi Gbajabiamila, for its commitment and hard work to ensure the security of lives and properties of Surulere residents and its environs are safe. However, some attendances who couldn't hide their enthusiasm interacted with our correspondent.
Yes, security, like I've said before, talking about security, first thing that security needs is social amenity, and they also need a support of good facility like this. When we went inside now, we saw radio, we have telecommunication, we have CCTV, whereby these are the things that when government or individual or somebody like a speaker do to enhance the work of Nigerian police force, it helps them to be able to carry their function effectively. Advice to the community is to stay away from crime. This place is not meant for them to come and be, arrested or prosecuted. But when they stay away from crime, it will help them to be able to do their things without police calling their attention. Yes, it is also good. Crime is also part of community. When such a thing happens, this is a good place for them to be attended to. But at the same time, I will encourage individuals in the community to praise the character of crime prevention, not to engage in crime, for us to be able to live a crime-free community.
In Lagos, Busola Yusuf reporting for Newsbuster NGTV.